Come on, Alex. You can do it. Good job, Alex. All right, Alex. Woo! Thank you, Alex. All right, Alex. Take your sweet time coming in. Good job, Alex. Woo! Come on, Anthony. All right, Alex. Thank you, Alex. Nice home run, Alex, on your new bat. Combat bat. Perfect. Beautiful. That's his new bat. Last time he wasn't using it because it's not been rolled or anything. But use it anyway.
Hey, it worked.
It worked. Come on, Anthony. We gotta catch up. We have to catch up. What?
Now back to the ace, number 10, Anthony San Vicente.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you.
Let's go, Anthony.
Well, he just broke it in.
Yeah, exactly. Go to the right.
Come on, Anthony. You can do it. Your turn. Come on, Anthony. Let's get that pitch in there. Come on, Anthony. Let's hit it out there just like Alex did. Come on, Alex. Come on, Anthony. You can do it. Good hit, Anthony. Woo! Run it out. Perfect. Woo! Come back, Ace. Thank you, Ace. Seems like we always do it when there's 2 outs. Seems like we get more serious when there's 2 outs for some reason.